How to hard reset HMD Skyline. Step 1. Power off your phone using the power button. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up and power button simultaneously. Step 3. In recovery mode, navigate using the volume buttons and select options with the power button.